Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sumit and I am a urologist and a kidney transplant surgeon at Paras Hospital Gurgaon. Today I am going to talk about an off-track topic which I have realized over years of my clinical practice. It is very important for cure of a patient. We as men of science don't commonly talk about things which are not proved through rigorous statistical trials. But today I'm going to talk about certain things for which I do not have any definitive proof that it works or it does not work. But this is what is the experience of most of the clinicians like myself and many other friends of mine. And we keep discussing about it. In day to day practice, many a times we have seen that a patient who comes to us who is very anxious is always thinking negative, is talking about all the complications that can happen, is always asking whether this complication will happen to me. I hope that does not happen. I hope I will not die. This is the kind of patients that usually land up in one complication or another, or they usually have a very protracted, prolonged clinical course. There are many patients who come to us with a very positive frame of mind and they recover very quickly, howsoever severe their ailment might be. So, today I'm going to talk about the role of mind in healing the physical ailments of the body. Every ailment, every disorder that a person suffers from has two components. One is the physical component of it. For example, somebody has fever. That is the physical component of it, which will lead to certain physical manifestation. That one might feel lethargic, there might be loss of appetite, there might be nausea associated with it, some amount of vomiting. But ultimately, how the person takes it, how much he gets mentally influenced by it, it is in the person's own hand. You'll be surprised to know there are certain diseases which are entirely mental, and that shows the power of mind. There is a certain term that we read in our medical literature which is called pseudo pregnancy. Here it describes story of young females who go for the first time in hostel and are becoming independent for the first time in their life. They seek support, get boyfriends, get physical, and then the fear it goes into their mind that they have become pregnant. They start believing it, and the belief is so strong that the girl misses her periods. And now the conviction that the girl has become pregnant it increases. Next period also does not come. But because of hesitation or shame, the girl doesn't talk to friends, doesn't talk to teachers, doesn't talk to parents. And the thing goes on. The periods they never come back. And gradually the belly of the girl it starts increasing. The girl keeps on calculating how many months now it has become 3 months, 4 months, 8 months, 9 months. And she develops a belly just like that of a pregnant woman. At the 9 months, she goes into labor pains. There's sudden severe abdominal pain. At that time, she reveals to her friends that she is pregnant. And the girl is taken to a hospital when for the first time ultrasound is done. And it is revealed that there is nothing inside the belly, it is just fat. But since the girl had a firm belief that she has become pregnant and she is constantly thinking about it, the body starts producing all the physical changes of pregnancy, like missing the periods, like protuberance of the belly, to the extent that the girl starts developing labor pains. Such is the power of mind. If this power is used negatively, it influences the body negatively. It has negative physical connotations. If, on the other hand, we use our mind in a very positive manner and concentrate positively after understanding the problem, that one what the person is suffering from, directing all the mental energy positively after understanding the mechanism of the problem, it becomes easier to get rid of the disease or the ailment. So the question you might ask is this: the how do I use the power of my mind positively to get rid of the problem that I'm facing? So for that, whenever you visit the clinician or the doctor, treating doctor, you should always ask exactly what is wrong with you. For example, the person says or the doctor tells you that you are suffering from typhoid and because of that you have fever. Along with fever, you have pain in your stomach and you are vomiting. You have loss of appetite. Then ask the doctor, why do I have pain in my stomach? Why I feel nausea? Why I have vomiting? Why I'm not able to tolerate normal food? Then the doctor will tell you that because of typhoid, there is swelling and inflammation in your small intestine. You understand that, you visualize it using diagrams, and then ultimately, whenever the treatment is started, you remain positive, remain hopeful, and imagine healing happening in the area which the doctor has explained to you that it is inflamed. If you have not read it, please, I'll recommend strongly a book called The Secret. And this is a very simple phenomena that is explained in this book, that whatever you believe in, and if your belief is very firm, that thing will happen in your life. So, you should think very responsibly. Don't be negative. Always be positive. Whenever you are having a health issue, a physical ailment, a problem, whenever you visit the doctor, ask in detail that what exactly is happening. Understand what is the pathology behind it. And then definitely seek treatment, take the right medications. At the same time, very positively, use the power of your brain and attempt healing yourself from within. Give body a chance to heal you from within. For that, it is important that you get a nutritious diet, you sleep well, have a restful sleep, remain well hydrated, and whenever you fall sick, concentrate more on healthy food stuff like fruits, salads. They will increase the immunity of your body, which can be further directed in producing healing of the body. Thank you so much. Think positive, remain healthy.